Okay. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, nice to hear that you're fine. What's your name?
My name is Nick.
Nick, are you ready?
Yes,
Nick, this will be your final midterm video interview in Phonics 2A, okay?
okay.
Let's start. First, count the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Very 12. Okay, now let's proceed with your body parts now. How many noses do you have?
I have one nose.
How about your face?
I have one face.
Continue, please.
I have one mouth. I have two ears. I have two heads. I have two feet. I have two knees. I have two eyes. I have 10 fingers. I have 10 toes.
Very good. Now let's proceed with your family. Who is this?
I eat with my father.
This is my father.
Eat with my mother. Eat with my brother. Eat with my sister. Eat with my baby brother. Eat with my baby sister. Eat with my grandfather. Eat my grandmother. Eat my aunt. Eat with my uncle.
Describing people.
Eat with young.
He is.
Eat young. Eat old. Eat sauce. Eat fast. Eat slim. Eat toast.
How about number 3? He is
Handsome.
okay. That's what color? Just tell me what color is it?
Eat red. Eat pink. Eat yellow. Eat blue. Eat purple. Eat brown. Eat green. Eat orange.
Very good. Now about this. What is it?
Eat a purple rice. Eat a green leaf. Eat a blue bug. Eat a red pen. Eat a red strawberry.
How about toys? Tell me what toys do you have?
Eat.
Have
I have a bike. I have a boat. I have a airplane. I have a train. I have a car. I have a robot.
very good. That's the end of your speaking. Thank you.